The question is integrate the given function. Here we split up this numerator part. We get integration of x by square root of x square minus 1 into dx minus integration of 1 by square root of x square minus 1 into dx. Let us consider this x square minus 1 as t, so that t is equal to x square minus 1. Taking derivative with respect to x on both the sides, we get dt by dx equal to 2x. Rearranging these values, we get dt by 2x equal to dx. Substituting this dx and x square minus 1 values in this integral part, we get I is equal to integration of x by square root t. Dx value is dt by 2x minus integration of 1 by square root of x square minus 1 into dx. Here this x are cancelled. Bringing this 2 as common, we get 1 by 2. Integration of dt by root t is equal to t power minus 1 by 2 dt is equal to t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to t power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 is equal to 2t power 1 by 2. So its value is 1 by 2 into 2t power 1 by 2 minus here log of x plus square root of x square minus 1 plus constant, because integration of dx by square root of x square minus a square is equal to log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant. So here these two 2's are cancelled. T value is x square minus 1. So square root of x square minus 1 minus log of x plus square root of x square minus 1 plus constant is the answer.